You like to eat bolot? No. I don't like. My sister and brother like to eat balot, but me, I don't like to eat that. What about you, Thomas? Have you tried eating balot before?